meantime, let's shift focus and get you another round of breaking update. Now, as far as the Amarnath Yatra, which has just recently resumed following inclement weather conditions, we are now looking at a bus that was carrying around 50 pilgrims, unfortunately meeting with an accident near Kangan in Jammu and Kashmir's Ganderbal district early this morning. Now, this bus that was traveling from Baltal to Srinagar reportedly lost control and plunged nearly 20 meters into a ditch. And personnel from the ITBP and the CRPF that launched a swift rescue operation and safely have evacuated all passengers. Thankfully, there are no reports of any casualties. And several pilgrims, however, did receive and sustain injuries. Let's connect with Sahil Sohail on this. Sahil, fortunately, no casualties, but this is an unfortunate incident being reported.
Well, exactly, and the injured pilgrims have been in fact shifted to sub-district hospital there in Kangan, and they are availing treatment in the hospital. This was early morning today when this bus traveling from Baltal to Srinagar, carrying around 50 pilgrims, met with an accident in Kangan. The bus apparently lost control and fell into a ditch, which was in fact on the side of the road. This bus basically then hit because of which the pilgrims who were on board in this particular vehicle have suffered injuries, and they have in fact been shifted to sub-district hospital Kangan, where they are availing treatment. It was ITBP and CRPF in fact personals who immediately conducted a rescue operation, and all these pilgrims who were in fact on board this bus were immediately rescued.
All right. Well, that seems to be the condition that we are now looking at, as far as those who have been injured have been shifted to the sub-district hospital in Kangan for treatment. Fortunately, we are not looking at any casualties there. Yes, some passengers did receive injuries there, but they are now receiving medical treatment as they have now been rescued. Unfortunate incident this morning that we are now looking at, and this is coming after days after we are looking at the Amarnath Yatra, which had now resumed following bad weather conditions. All right, ladies and gentlemen, for all of our viewers who are logging in as far as timesnownews.com is concerned, this is how we are looking at as far as the top stories. And when we are now speaking of the top stories, this is now what we speak of as far as when we speak of and take a look as far as the home page is concerned. So this is where we are looking at hours after the CJP road. We are looking at other states as well, which had filed FIRs or cases against protesters there who were a part of the student protest. This is something which we are looking at states following Delhi. They are now deciding to roll back and withdraw on the FIRs there. So Bihar and Assam moved to withdraw protest FIRs, and what is now been said that more NDA states have been guarantees. That is also expected today, and this is on part of the ultimatum which has been issued on part of the Cockroach Janata Party. Else, they say, if the word is not honored by the government, they are ready to resume their protest.